Sticking with Tesla for one more. Yesterday's headline topic was Tesla becoming the most valuable automaker in terms of market cap. A lot of people came back and said, market cap, that's not it. What about actual units moved? The stock market's crazy. They don't know what they're doing. It's all hype. That's what people were talking about, and they're right. I thought I gave a nod to that in the particular episode. That hey man, the stock market is one thing, units on the road is another thing, and they are different things. However, stock market is money. That's a real figure. That's real dollars. It's real. It's still a real thing. It's not everything, but it is a thing. Well, anyways, today they took our story from yesterday and they blew it out even further. They came with some numbers and said they delivered 90,000 vehicles in the second quarter, and they showed off that they were a little bit more immune to the problems happening in the world right now, whatever economic fears exist, because their sales dip over the same period from last year was far more minor than the other big automakers. Other big automakers took a much bigger dive. They appeared to be sort of what would you say catastrophe proof. A little bit more. No, nobody's fully catastrophe proof, but a little bit more than some of those other players. So they surpassed the Wall Street expectations, which they were guessing that Tesla in the same period would be able to deliver around 72,000 units. They come with 90,650. And then the investors come in even harder. And now we hit some peak price today, $1,219 pre-market trading. Holy moly, people are still hype on Tesla. And look at the climb. What do you have? You have the 1 year there. We don't even need the 1 year. Give us the 1 month. I mean, look at the 1 month. Just climbing, ladies and gentlemen. So yes, the stock market is crazy. I agree with you. I don't know what we can derive from it, but people are hype on Tesla when it comes to the long-term future, and they think they can make money. That's how it works. Mm-hmm. They think they can make money. They think there's more hype behind this hype. Yeah. And of course, Tesla is shipping vehicles. So they're getting closer to figuring out the actual fulfillment. Of course, the core of those 90,000 plus deliveries, Model Y, the new Model Y, and of course, a Model 3. The other two, almost nobody's buying them, just to be clear.
Really?
The older models, the X and the S, only accounted for 10,000 of those units.
Oh, wow.
So those things need an update badly, and possibly a lower price point, or if they want to keep them luxury, then they need an update if they want to keep them at that price point, because it's all the lower tier. But of course, that's expected at any automaker, that your entry-level stuff is going to be your popular stuff. So Model 3, Model Y.